So let us head to Microsoft Word and let us see about these caption section options, and let us see on how we can make use of it. Alright, so into this document, you can see that there I am going to be adding a few more details. So say for example, if I scroll down, I have this image that I have added and I have not yet added any caption to this. So say for example, this image just looks as a simple galaxy to me, but there is something more to it. I need to understand what this image is all about. I have some text here, and then there is another figure. There's another chart that has been added over here, and I need to give some more details about it as well. So this can be done with the help of the caption section. So let us head to references. And inside the references, just next to the citations and bibliography, I have my insert caption, insert table of figures, update table, and cross-reference. That is basically grouped under the caption section inside the reference tab. Now here, with the help of this, I can basically insert the caption and insert the table of figures. So let me just click on this image. So now let me just add a caption to it. So when I just click somewhere, just where I want the caption to appear. Usually the caption appears just below the figure, or it just appears below any image or table for that matter. But it is completely your choice where exactly you want to add the caption. So I'm just going to click on insert caption. So once I have this, I will just push it over here so that you can see how it appears. So here in this place, I will be choosing, so say for example, it says caption figure 1. Now in place of the figure, I have this as an image. So I can just drop down this label. And from here it says equation, figure or table. So if I'm not getting any option for label, then I think figure is more than enough for me. If not, then I can basically click on this new label and try to add it. So say for example, this is an image. So I can just do this. Click on OK. Here we go, and you can see the caption appears as image 1. So just further to that, I can then start by adding the details of my image. Okay, so this is basically my caption that I want to be adding for my image. So let us try to add this part. So I just click on OK. And you can see here it appears as the image caption. Now I can then choose to basically keep it right where it is, or maybe center align it. It is basically how I'm going to be displaying it. And you can see the particular formatting that has actually appeared is right over here. So if I go to my home and I just go to my style section, you can see my caption appears like this. So this is basically how the caption is picked up, and this is how it is formatted.